Slide the allocation bar to maximum. This reveals your full redeemable amount. Key tip: focus on the Solana equivalent value shown, as this represents your actual realized returns. When prepared, execute the remove liquidity action and sign the transaction to complete the process. Transaction confirmed. Funds are now securely in your wallet. Open your Phantom extension to see those impressive gains staring back at you. I stumbled on a crazy strategy that's been printing money for me. I've already hit my targets, and keeping this to myself would just be greedy, so I'm going to start fresh with a brand new wallet and walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step. You've probably been flipping meme coins like I used to, until I got sick of watching my money disappear into dead projects. After digging deeper, I uncovered a next level strategy that can 2x or even 3x your cash in minutes. And guess what? I'm breaking it all down for you right now. The real play isn't trading coins, it's creating them. Most folks instantly think Pump.Fun when they hear coin launches, but that's a rookie mistake. Check this feed. In just 1 minute, you'll watch over 100 new tokens flood the market. With that kind of noise, how could yours possibly stand out? The solution? Switch to Raydium. The coding knowledge needed keeps the riffraff out, which is why projects here actually have legs. Best part? I've figured out how to get you past the tech requirements. You'll be launching like a dev without writing any code. Here's the golden ticket. I just struck gold with Solana tokenlabs.io. It finally gives you a way to launch on Raydium without writing a single line of code. The process is insanely easy. Just answer a few quick prompts and you're good to go. I've tested it thoroughly and can confidently say it works. But enough hype. It's time to mint our token right now. First, we start with the logo. You need something that grabs attention, something that's blowing up online. Memes, viral celebrities, gaming nostalgia, anything that's trending. For this one, I'm using a TF2 image. It's my lucky charm. Just resize it to 128 by 128 pixels. Download it, and you're set. Now jump back to solana and connect your wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this one Derp Scout and shortening it to Scout to keep it short and catchy. Upload the logo you just downloaded, hit next, and keep going. For the description, I'm writing Derp Well. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply? We'll need it later. Just click next and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part. I always do. It's never been a problem with Raydium launches. Just smash that skip button and continue. Next screen asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your SOL. Skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features: custom token addresses. Solana Token Labs lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.Fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. If you put moon or pump like suffix having 4 alphabets, it will take around 20 minutes to update on Solana tokenlabs.io. So if you want to avoid long wait while creating your coin, add PM or MO like 2 alphabets in small. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens. Another huge red flag. If you turn off revoke update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want. Massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click launch my token now. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with 1 click and boom. Your token is officially live on Solana. Your crypto asset is now officially deployed on chain. But we're not done yet. Head over to Solscan using this link to conduct your first authenticity check, where every detail of your new token will be publicly visible and permanently recorded on the Solana blockchain. Congratulations! Solscan's verification confirms your token has successfully been minted onto the Solana blockchain. However, to transition from a created asset to a liquid, tradable token, we must execute one final technical activation that will enable full market operations. No token achieves true utility without liquidity infrastructure. By creating your liquidity pool, You're deploying the smart contract framework that facilitates market operations, enabling price determination, swap execution, and the full spectrum of trading activity essential for a functional cryptocurrency. So click on Create Liquidity Pool to get it going. The Liquidity Pool setup begins on Raydium's interface. After verifying your wallet connection, connect manually if necessary. You'll select your meme coin as the base token by importing its address from solanatalklabs.io. I'll input Scout as a symbol and Derp Scout as the name when prompted. Adjust these values for your specific token. Once added, you'll see your token's full 1 billion supply. We'll commit 900 million to the liquidity pool, maintaining the standard ratio that ensures healthy initial market conditions. For quote token selection, Solana is the undisputed standard. Maximize your Solana contribution to demonstrate skin in the game. And in this beads immediate trust. Allocate at least 1 to 2 Solana for liquidity depth, while reserving 0.2 Solana for protocol costs. Next is the fee tier. I usually go with 2%, but you can try 0.5% too. Now, all that's left is clicking Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirming the transaction. With this, your coin is live and ready for trading. Our token is already live on Photon's trending list. Prime real estate with thousands of active traders monitoring these listings 24/7. This immediate visibility is game-changing. Now let's analyze our chart properly. I'll demonstrate the most effective way to track price action and liquidity in real time. Here's how the pros track new listings. Open Dex Screener and pull up any token chart. Now for the power move. Swap that contract address in the URL with your solanatalklabs.io token address. Boom! Instant analytics dashboard for your project. Watch the liquidity metrics like a hawk. They're your objective exit signal. Those early transactions, mostly arbitrage bots doing their thing. Focus on the real volume patterns instead. Stay cool and periodically check your Raydium position. Just refresh the standard interface view. Your liquidity position should appear here soon. Though remember, blockchain settlements aren't instantaneous. Typical confirmation times range 10 to 15 minutes during normal network activity. This is completely normal. The system is working as designed, even if it feels slow. It took some time, but take a look at that. We got our first nice buy for almost $69. That's 0.5 Solana secured already. That translates to over $460 for the market cap and almost $600 for the liquidity. That's 100% growth in just 50 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, those numbers are pretty good. Well, this launch has been pretty slow. It's been almost 30 minutes, but we got a $200 buy, which is awesome. The market cap jumped all the way to $1,200 and liquidity is over 1,000 now. Honestly, even though we have a couple people selling over here, we're still getting really good volume. And these numbers look really nice. Okay, this is it. $200 right here. Market cap is over $3,000 and the liquidity hasn't even updated yet, but we can't wait for it. We gotta hurry and take our profits right now. First, access your Raydium portfolio and verify your wallet connection. Navigate to the standard view, where your LP positions are displayed. Identify your stake and click the minus icon to initiate withdrawal. Slide the allocation bar to maximum. This reveals your full redeemable amount. Key tip: focus on the Solana equivalent value shown, as this represents your actual realized returns. When prepared, execute the remove liquidity action and sign the transaction to complete the process. Transaction confirmed. Funds are now securely in your wallet. Open your Phantom extension to see those impressive gains staring back at you. This isn't luck. It's a proven system. The methodology works so consistently that I could launch another token immediately and replicate these exact results with proper execution. Big disclaimer. This video is made for merely educational purposes. I'm not affiliated in any way to solanatalklabs.io, Raydium, Photon, or any of the platforms used in this video. With that said, I gotta tell you that nobody knows for how long this method will keep working, so I wouldn't miss the chance while it's still giving great results.